Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two popular air fryers. So, if you're in the market for a new air fryer, this video is just for you. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. When it comes to the price, the first air fryer is priced at $122, while the second air fryer is available for just $99. This makes the second air fryer the more affordable option, saving you some extra bucks. In terms of cooking efficiency, both air fryers perform exceptionally well. However, the second air fryer takes the lead with its 1550W high power and 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology. It cooks food 30% faster than other air fryers, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite meals in minutes. If you're looking for that perfect golden finish and tender results, the second air fryer is the way to go. With its even crisp technology and thermo IQ technology, it ensures your food is cooked evenly, preventing burnt or undercooked meals. This air fryer will truly make your meals everyone will love. When it comes to versatility, the second air fryer has it all. With 9 preset modes and the ability to adjust time and temperature, you can customize everything to fit your air-fried recipes. It even has a shake reminder, ensuring your food is cooked evenly with crispy textures. This air fryer meets all your needs. In terms of convenience and design, both air fryers excel. However, the second air fryer offers some additional features that make it stand out. With a removable non-stick basket, dishwasher-safe parts, and non-slip feet for safety and stability, it truly focuses on user-friendly design. Plus, its compact size saves valuable counter space. And that's a wrap for our comparison of these two air fryers. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or a versatile cooking experience, both air fryers have their unique qualities. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.